welcome to my tutorial. My name is Kesziregbe. If this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, like our page, okay? So today I'm making Ankara canvases. I made 2 of them already, okay? We will be using different things for this. We are using wooden frames, hammers, top bond, tack nails. I have lots of tack nails, scissors, and of course Ankara fabrics, different kind of fabrics, and we're using lining. So join me, let's get started. As I mentioned earlier, these are the materials that I'll be using: the wooden frames, the Ankara fabrics. I have different kind of Ankara fabrics. I go by the colors. I showed you the lining, the hammers, the tack nails, the hooks, and of course top bond, which is like mud podge. So the first thing I did is I'm using this particular fabric because I feel like I love the colors, and it has the wine shade and the orange shade. I always like to go for fabric that has really lovely colors, bright colors. For me though, you might like something different. So as you can see, I placed the frame on top of the fabric, and this will allow me just cut the fabric around the frame, and I'll be adding just about extra 2 inches on all sides before I wrap this around the frame. Next, I'll take my top bond or mud podge, and I'm applying this on the surface of the wooden frame. I'm using a brush. You can use a brush bigger than this, just to apply it faster. And you want to be generous with the application of this mud podge so that the frame is fully covered, not that some fabric will be lifting up or not properly glued to the frame. So as you can see, I'm just folding this over the wooden frame, and you want to do this carefully. You want to make sure you drag as much as you can so that the surface of the fabric is very, very flat. Like, you don't want it to be having to be kind of hollow inside the middle. You want it very, very straight, okay? So you drag as much as you can and make sure your fabric is just in the middle and well aligned. So now I'm doing the other side, and you can also use your tack nail. I'm using a tack nail to make sure the fabric is firm on the frame, okay, just to secure it on the frame. So I'll do that for all the sides, about 3 for each side, and then we'll do the other sides. Once I'm done securing all the 4 sides, and you can see that I've done so, and the surface of the canvas looks perfect. Now it's time to add the lining to the back of the canvas to cover the back up. I'm using an interfacing a lining material. You can also use paper if you're not okay with cloth material. You can use paper, you can use newspapers, anything that you are okay with. So but I'm just using lining, and it's the same thing that applies. I'm making sure the edges are well folded, and then I'm using my tack nails to secure that and make it as flat as I can get it to go. Now that I'm done making the canvas, it's time for me to add hooks to the back of the canvas, and the first thing I need to do is measure the width using my tape rule. And once I get the measurement, I can know where the middle is, and that is where I'll be adding my hooks to. So I've gotten the middle of this, and I'll just attach my hook to that using a tack nail, about 2 tack nails, and that's how we make Ankara wall canvas. Hi, so this is the final work. I did 3 Ankara wall canvases. You can see I mixed the colors, and we have an even tone, which is like the brown and the wine. Okay, so this blue just stands out and it makes everything perfect. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Please leave a comment.